Yo, what's good, y'all? For today's video, we're gonna be making the C7 a little bit louder. Not too loud though, just installing a Borla X pipe. I picked it up last week, gonna install it today. I got my boy James, certified mechanic.
Yes, sir.
This is your first time working on a C7?
Yeah.
Yeah?
My first C7. This is all I work on.
Yeah. We got the Grand Sport and then the bass. We got a house full of Corvettes right now. I'm excited to hear how it sounds. I don't think it's gonna make much of a difference, to be honest. I need some headers after this.
Scary, bro. Scary working on your own car, huh?
I don't work on my car.
Lucky you.
Here to get under? Just my feet. This was not even looking.
Yo.
What am I doing?
Come on, I'm gonna show you right now. DJ's a mechanic right now.
Oh, this is scary, dog. Alright.
Yeah, if there's a...
It don't fit. Nah, it's not going. That's too big.
It's too small.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see it. Okay.
Alright, which way? Left? Lefty loosey?
Yeah.
Correct the mental.
How do you go left?
Turn it.
This way?
Yeah.
That way?
Turn it.
Left?
Yeah, this is
like
prime,
that?
This is prime content right
Like
here,
this?
Push. No, this one's legs were too.
Come on. Come on. Oh shit, that shit going.
Yo.
Yeah. What? Hold on, let me get under that bitch.
No, the car's about to fall, bro.
Chill. There you go. Oh yeah, I can do it by hand now, I bet. Okay, nah, let's do this. You still want to hire me, James?
Yeah, I'm hiring you. You're my person.
Oh!
Yo.
Why did that scare me, bro? You didn't tell me that shit gonna drop.
Who thought the car was
I thought I was gonna die right now.
That shield's gonna come down.
Alright, bet.
Oh, that's hilarious.
There you go. Hell yeah, boy. Who says I don't work on my own car?
Bro, take off one bolt. That should be a video idea. DJ goes to UTI.
Hell yeah. Where's the ratchet at?
Oh, I leave it under there?
Yeah.
So you're able to come in from the back?
Oops.
You know what? I probably should have.
So you're...
So what do you recommend after this? Headers?
Dog.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be too loud.
Excited and nervous, just cause I know I'm gonna want it louder, like even louder. And I don't want to pay for a tune because what? That's like 1,500 for a tune, right?
For a tune for this car?
Yeah. Like 12?
Like 1,000. Like with just headers?
Yeah.
I got 1,000.
Just to get rid of the fucking check engine light and shit. But I think I should be chilling because I could close the valves and open them whenever I want. I see a cop, just close them. So that's the clutch thing about the car. Hey, is the 3LZ package the only one that does that? Or they all do that?
Good questions, bro. That way.
Which way?
Towards...
But look, I'll show you where to
Should
hit
I pull it
Towards the end
or
of the
just
drive.
hit it? What do I hit it
strong
with?
enough to pull it, shit.
Hit kind of like right here. Actually, you're gonna hit like,
Like that?
yeah. Gotta give it some push.
Oh, fuck.
Well, that's one way for it to come
You
out.
did it.
Yeah.
Trying to show him how to do it and he did it.
It just fell out.
Yeah, I was like, okay, ready?
You're like, alright, this is how you do it.
Yeah, literally.
Okay, boom.
Just lay this out over on the grass or somewhere.
You just lay it down right here.
Oh, yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So, see the cats on this one, OEM X pipe, then the Borla X pipe, deleting the secondary cats. So, full straight boat. James just got the X pipe off, about to throw the Borla on. He's getting the new clamps. So, I think that's the only thing left. Then we gotta throw the skid plate back on, and it should be good to go. Fucking. With the X pipe, you don't need a tune, just the headers. So, that's the only good thing about installing the X pipe, that I don't have to get a tune.
Cause throw a check engine?
Nah, you better not throw a check engine. Nah, it said on the description it's not. Like, okay. There's no check engine light. Right? X pipe, no check engine?
No check engine.
Chilling.
Yeah, chilling. I think this and the exhaust is the only bolt-on you can do, right? Without check engine and then maybe an intake. Is it okay if it scrapes? I don't know if that fits, bro.
Just slide it, dog.
Hold up.
Fuck.
No, bro.
I think we have it upside down.
About to be mad spoiled.
I was like, bro, no way, I bought the wrong part. Is it supposed to go over or inside, bro?
It's supposed to go over. The X pipe's supposed to slide over the exhaust.
It's like the top is in, it's just the bottom that's out. And then push it.
Nice.
There you go.
This side's going in, but left side's not. Got it on. I respect your mechanics a lot. This is why I don't work on my own car. A little bit dirty, not too crazy. But shout out to my boy James, like always. So he's just gonna bolt it on, and I think we're gonna start it up, check for some leaks. I'm excited to hear how it sounds.
It's gonna sound pretty bitchin'.
Yeah? Hell yeah.
It's gonna sound crazy, bro.
I hope it sounds fucking how I'm expecting. I'm expecting like some loud ass, but I don't know. I feel like it'll make a little difference.
It's gonna sound like when you downshift, it's gonna sound.
Oh yeah,
funky.
no.
It's gonna be like crispy now.
Yeah.
Like the C5, but more crispy.
Really?
Oh wait.
Your C5 was loud as fuck though.
Exactly.
This is gonna be like, mine didn't have a fucking cat back. I remember your car is 12 years newer than that car? That was
Well,
30.
Yeah. Borla X pipe. What time did we start? Like 6? Yeah, like 6. It's 8:02 right now, so about 2 hours. I say like another 45 minutes to get everything back on. 30, 45 minutes, right?
No.
No, like 20?
Another 20,
20
yeah.
minutes? Okay.
You'll be able to start it in like 5 minutes.
Okay, right.
You just have to tighten it and then check for leaks, and that's it, bro.
Yeah. Oh, got a headache, and I barely did anything.
Ready when you are.
Does it turn on with when you put it in track?
Not impressed.
Switch to the track.
It's in track.
In track now?
Yeah.
Alright, you're good. There's no exhaust. Is that in track?
Yeah. Okay.
That's
Definitely made a difference. Let me hear it. Let me hear it.
That's 2,000.
Not bad.
Hell yeah.
All right. Well, happy with the results. Happy with the results. That shit made a bigger difference than I was expecting. I've watched videos, but like, it doesn't do any justice in person. But that's with anything. Nothing on camera is the same as in person. So I like it. All right, we're about to get first reaction driving it. It sounds pretty mean, bro. I'm not gonna lie. For X pipe only, it sounds like pretty badass. It kind of matches like how the car looks now. I feel like this car looked way too mean, like to be quiet. Like definitely could tell a difference. Like, even just fucking starting up.
Sounds like a man's car.
No, yeah, it sounds like a man car now. Start this bitch. It keeps switching, bro. There you go. Track. Alright, let's see. Y'all ready? Yeah. Big ass difference. Way I keep saying this, but it's like a way bigger difference than what I thought it was. Yeah. I think it's like what you said, like perfect. It's like perfect right now. It's enjoyable, not too fucking loud. Yeah, it's a good tone now. Definitely way better. It's good enough for right now. Until we start.
I want to hear. I want to hear it like it. What?
Like 4K?
Yeah.
Let's see right now. I'll do it right here a little bit. Huh?
Sounds pretty good.
Not bad. I like it.
Dude, it sounds fucking.
I like that shit.
What was that up to, like 4?
That was like 2K.
You're lying.
I swear, that was like 2K.
What the fuck?
Like 2 to 3. Like 2.5.
Do 2 grand, start putting in work.
That sounds so good, bro. I'm gonna be at the gas station though, like every day now.
Fucking, literally. You're driving harder because you want to hear it.
Oh, yeah. I didn't mean to do that.
Oh shit! I was like, oh, we're going for a fucking ride.
I haven't gone past 4K yet, so there's a lot of cops on the street though. Let's see right here, send that a little bit. Shit. Cop tries to pull me over, we're gone, bro.
Doug,
You with it? Alright. You don't have a choice. Alright, let's make this shit louder,
yeah,
bro. It's gotta be louder. Not loud enough, but it's good for right now.
I'd say for right now.
For right now, yeah.
It sounds mean.
It's solid. I mean, for 500 bucks, not bad.
You can't go bad.
Not bad. I would have been pissed off if I bought an exhaust and it sounded like this.
Dude, can you imagine if you bought that fucking X-Pipe on Google or off American Muscle for like 380 bucks? Come to find out that we need to fucking
delete the cats?
Yeah.
No, I would have been pissed. Good little first mod. I'm happy with my choice.
Oh yeah. Hey, for 500 bucks, it only took like 2 hours of
labor. Can't go wrong. And I didn't need to buy any like bolts or something. Nothing went wrong.
Yeah. Smooth install.
Yes, I'm gonna get bored of this shit within like a week though. I'm gonna fucking text you and be like, hey bro, I just picked up headers. I just picked up some fucking headers. It smells like clutch. I don't know if it's clutch or exhaust. Bro, where is my phone?
Gotta be exhaust.
Yeah, it's exhaust. Oh, so it's right here.
How the hell did it end up over there? You going through my phone?
No.
Oh, that's always pretty loud, bro.
Honestly, me and him both said like we thought it was gonna be louder. Like,
I thought it was gonna be louder too, but it's still pretty loud.
It's good for right now, but I definitely need headers like soon. Headers.
I would agree.
Headers in a tune, and I think it's there. You go. I think that's perfect.
Yes.
Just for headers intake, but I want to keep my valves, to be honest.
You're gonna keep them because they're in the exhaust or they're in the mufflers.
But like, I don't know if I would get an exhaust.
You can get the Corsa ones. It's just the actuator that transfers over because they have the slot.
Oh, and I can keep the valves?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie. If you do get axle back,
oh, this shit will sound crazy.
Oh, yeah?
Because, bro, like I said, like, just my dad's car has a axle back alone, and that shit is loud.
Yeah. But $500, $700 versus a 2.5K exhaust.
Look at the Black C5. You know how it was fucking super raspy when you drove it? That's how this would sound. Or not super raspy, it's super like...
The black? Oh, like when you step on it, like,
yeah.
It's like screaming, bro. That's just screaming.
That's how this would sound.
It'll come in due time. Need my Subaru back first. Haven't even drove that shit in a year and a half. Alright, let's do the rollers.
Yeah. Time for rollers?
Yeah.
Are you perhaps crooked?
Am I crooked? Am I?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Bah!
Fuck you.
Touch the sky. Back when they thought pink polos would hurt the ride. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors closed. I felt like bad boy street team. I couldn't work the locks. Now let's go. Take them back to the plan. Me and my mama hopped in that U-Haul van. Any pessimists, I ain't talk to them. Plus I ain't had no phone in my apartment. Let's take them back to the club. At least about an hour I stand online. I just wanted to dance. I went to Jacob an hour after I got my advance. I just wanted to shine. Jay favorite line, dog, in due time. Now they look at me like, damn, dog, you what I am.
That's exhaust. That's not clutch.
That's exhaust?
That's exhaust. That's not clutch.
Cool. It's scary.
We rolling.
So that basically wraps up for this video. You heard that shit? Alright, that's basically it for this video. Yeah, it's definitely louder like when I'm reversing or like I'm blipping it in first and going back to neutral. So it sounds good like that. Sounds a little bit better when I'm stepping on it. Definitely not as loud as I want it to be. But for 500 bucks, you can't beat it. Borla X-Pipe. Install went pretty smooth. Took us about like 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So not bad. Definitely makes me want to make the car louder. But that's basically it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to hit 2.5. We'll see if we can hit it by the end of the month. I'm at like 2040 something right now. So thank y'all for 2,000. I appreciate that a lot. And once again, shout out to my boy James. Would not be possible without my mechanic, bro. I appreciate that fool so much. He always puts up with my shit whenever like I want him to install a part. He always like takes time out of his day, so I appreciate him. I'm gonna put his Instagram on the screen and in the bio if you guys want to hit him up. Like I said, he works in the IE, LA, OC area. He's mobile. He works on every type of car. I trust him with all my cars, so I would definitely go to him if you guys need some mechanic work done. But other than that, make sure to like the video, comment what you guys want to see next. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate every single one of y'all. Peace.